Today we are looking at extending drainage around the foundation of a house. We have the existing 4-inch drain with sock coil. Brandon, can you point at that there? Yep, and then they connected that to solid 4-inch. This is on the back side of a patio project here. There's the patio. We don't want that water coming out right there by the house. So Brandon dug a trench all along the edge of the patio, switched it to solid, and now he's dumping gravel on top of that pipe. This trench comes all the way down and out into the lawn to a 9-inch square box. You can see right here that Brandon has exposed the sod and set it aside for use later. And then he actually removed the extra soil. Some of that soil is going to have to come back to go on top of the pipe. The box excavation is probably 12 inches deep. It's hard to see in the videos. And then the 4-inch pipe is just going to fit into that connection right there. These boxes can be used as a pass-through box by taking that second piece right here and flipping it on the back side and taking out this center piece right there so it can pass through. Most of the time we use it as an end point for water to emit out of. The trench is about 10 inches deep, which gives us about 4 inches of soil and sod on top of the drainage system. Also, we drill holes in the bottom of the 9-inch box so that when that is full of water, it eventually seeps out so we don't have mosquitoes breeding.